Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Office. Calm and signing in with a free Microsoft account, this gives you Excel Online without a product key. Once signed in, upload an existing XLSX or choose New Workbook to start. Make sure to organize files into OneDrive so changes auto-save. You'll get familiar ribbons, formulas, and cell formats immediately. Start entering data and simple formulas. Excel Online supports most everyday functions, and this first step eliminates the need for a desktop license. Once your workbook is live in Excel Online, use formulas named ranges and conditional formatting as you would on desktop. These are fully usable. For collaboration, click Share and set edit or view permissions so others work simultaneously. Track changes via version history. When you hit a feature gap, choose Open in Desktop Excel. The file remains in OneDrive and you can return to online editing afterwards. Make sure to save before switching contexts to avoid conflicts and keep workbook versions clean. To finish, use File Save As or download to export. XLSX, CSV, or PDF and share final results. If you need offline work, open the file with Office mobile apps or LibreOffice Desktop. Changes can be re-uploaded to OneDrive. If formulas or formatting appear wrong, clear browser cache, confirm OneDrive sync completed, and reload the workbook. That troubleshooting step solves most sync and display problems. Remember to keep copies of critical files and use version history to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.